method. So our first question is penetration at 4x plus 1 divided by 5 equals to 2x plus 3 divided by 4. Now what we will do, we will cross multiply each here. Cross multiply number 4 will multiply with this and 5 will multiply with this. So 4 will multiply with the 4x plus 1 equals to 5 will multiply with the 2x plus 3. Now again you are going to remove the brackets over here, apply a distribution method. So 4 will multiply with the 4x. 4 is a 16x. 4 1s are 4 equals to 5 2s are 10x. 5 3s are 15. What does it say? Now we are going to keep the variable on one hand side and constant on another hand side. So 16x as it is, 10x is on the right hand side and it is a positive 10x, right? When positive 10x will shift from right hand side towards the left hand side, its operation will change, it will become negative 10x. 15 as it is, positive 4, when shift from left to the right, it will become negative 4. So 16x minus 10x, it is 6x, right? Equals to 15 minus 4 is 11. And 6x is equals to 11. You're going to find for the x, 11 divided by 6. This is your product. Go to say, this is how you're going to cross multiply the fractions which having a variable on a both hand side. Okay. Second question, it is like this. 2m plus 5 divided by 3m minus 1 equals to 2 upon 5. Again, what you'll do? Cross multiply like this. So, cross multiply. So 5 will first multiply with the 2m plus 5 and then 2 will multiply with the 3m minus 1. So 5 2s are distribution method 10m plus 5 5s are 25 equals to 2 3s are 6m, 2 1s are negative 2. That 10m plus 25 6m minus 2. We will keep a variable on one hand side and constant on another hand side. So what we will do, we will keep 10m as it is and positive 6m will become negative 6m. Negative 6m equals to, this is negative 2, this is positive 25. When positive 25 shift from left hand side towards the right hand side, its operation will be changed. So it will convert into negative 25. Okay class, now 10m minus 6m, that is 4 times m, means 10 mango minus 6 mango is 4 mango left. And this is negative 27. Okay, so 4m equals to negative 27 and then m equal mangoes are equals to negative 27 upon 4. This is your product. What does it say? This is how you are going to solve with the help of a cross multiplication. The Tua Thama solve chain. Because you say, okay class, now we are going to solve the last question of the cross multiplication. Okay, so penetration enter 1 upon 3x plus 4 equals to 3 upon 4x minus 1. Again with the help of cross multiplication, chair. So cross multiply. Okay, 1 will multiply with the 4x minus 1 equals to 3 will multiply with the 3x plus 4. Now again here you are using a distribution method, you have to remove the brackets. So 1 4x is a 4x, 1 1 is a negative 1. 3 3 is a 9x, 3 4 is a 12. Okay class, now what you will do, you are going to keep the variable on a one hand side and constant on another. So 4x as it is, negative positive 9x, when it shift from right to the left hand side, its operation will be changed. It will become negative 9x, and 12 the rangjache. Negative 1 shift from left to the right, its operation change and it will become positive 1. Now you're going to solve this. So for x minus 9x, that is negative 5x, and then 12 plus 1 is 13. You're going to find it for the x, and I already told you that when there is a multiplication, the coefficient means the coefficient is in multiple, negative 5x. So when you shift this negative 5 from left to the right, its operation will be changed. It will become divide. And I already told you that always denominator is a positive. You should not keep your denominator negative. Denominator the kadu in negative share mata negative 5 the machala share marta numerator lakier. So negative 13 upon 5 is your answer. Gozu se di gozu na en tarin chido tagarai en samal tujana shue.